On that video, I will show you how to do a rotation. Sorry, this time we're doing a rotation. So to define a rotation, you need a center of rotation, you need an angle, and you need to know if you go clockwise or counterclockwise. I will do an example with you. Let's say I'm going to do this one. The first step, you're going to have to draw circles passing through each vertices. So I'm going to use my compass. And I'm going to make one circle. If you just move the paper instead of your compass, it gives better results. So same thing now from letter B. And finally from letter C. So that's the first step, drawing all those circles. The second step, you need to know the distance that you must move the point A. Point A is on the bigger circle. You can't really measure an arc with a ruler. Impossible. So you need to use your compass again. So it's easier if you just make a dot where this side touches the bigger circle, and the same thing where the second side touches the big circle. And then you measure that distance with your compass. And then you follow the arrow. The arrow is telling you to go clockwise. So I'm going to move my point A on that big circle, same distance. You see, this distance is the same. So now I can make a dot and show that this is the image of point A prime. I will do the same thing now with letter B. Letter B is on a different circle. This time, letter B is on the circle in the middle. So I'm going to do the same thing. This side touches, the side of this angle touches the circle here and over there. So it's going to be a bit smaller. Letter B is on this circle. So again, I follow this arrow. I need to move this point clockwise. I'm going to make a dot, and I'm going to show that this is the image of point B. One last time. I'm going to use the smaller circle this time. So the angle touches this circle here and there. I measure one more time with my compass. So the distance, and this time which point is on the smaller circle? It's point C. And again, I'm moving it clockwise. This is the image of point C, C prime. And finally, my last step is just to connect those points. Just like for the translation, the reflection, my figures, my two figures, should be congruent. It doesn't change the sides, it doesn't change the corresponding angles. The two figures are identical. Time to practice.